Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's lecture on the physics of bachelor class here at Oxford University. Physics is a fundamental science that seeks to understand and describe the behavior of the physical world. It's the study of matter, energy, and their interactions. In this lecture, we will focus on some of the key concepts in physics that every bachelor student of physics should know. First, let's start with motion. Motion is a change in position of an object over time. The study of motion is known as classical mechanics. Classical mechanics is based on the laws of motion formulated by Sir Isaac Newton. Newton's three laws of motion state that an object at rest will remain at rest and an object in motion will continue in motion with a constant velocity, unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. The acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force applied to it and inversely proportional to its mass. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. These laws form the basis for our understanding of motion and have numerous applications in our everyday lives. Next, let's talk about energy. Energy is the ability of a system to do work. There are many forms of energy, including kinetic energy, potential energy, thermal energy, and electromagnetic energy. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only converted from one form to another. This law has important implications in many areas of physics, including thermodynamics, where we study the relationships between heat, work, and energy. Finally, let's talk about waves. Waves are disturbances that propagate through a medium, transferring energy without the transfer of mass. There are two types of waves, transverse waves and longitudinal waves. Transverse waves, such as light and ocean waves, vibrate perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation. Longitudinal waves, such as sound waves, vibrate parallel to the direction of wave propagation. The study of waves is known as wave mechanics and has numerous applications in fields such as optics, acoustics, and electromagnetism. Ladies and gentlemen, these are just a few of the key concepts in physics that you should be familiar with as a bachelor student in physics. Physics is a vast and exciting field with many fascinating topics to explore. I encourage you to keep learning and asking questions, and to never stop being curious about the world around you. Thank you for your attention. I hope you found this lecture informative and engaging. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.